All right, gang, what's going on with y'all, bro? This is Brian's Fragrances coming back with another video. Okay, so look, today we is going to be discussing Lattafa, Khamrah, Qahwa. So look, this is a very popular fragrance, and I can see why, right? I could definitely see why. It's a nice, mass appealing, and I actually rocked this joint yesterday, right? But Khamrah, Qahwa is nuclear, it's sexy, it's everything in the fragrance. Now, see guys, look, this one kind of get compared to Mansour Amore Cafe. Even though these don't smell alike, right? Even though they don't smell alike, but I can see why they get compared at the same time. Both of them is sweet, type of cotton candy-ish a little bit, like that cotton candy sweetness a little bit. They both got, coffee in it. And they both mass appealing, sexy. They both is date night, but they don't smell alike, right? But let me just explain something to y'all. If I had to pick between Amore Cafe and Lattafa, Khamrah, Qahwa, I got Qahwa, right? And I'm about to tell you why. First of all, Qahwa is more mass appealing, even though Amore Cafe is definitely a mass appealing fragrance. Qahwa is just gonna work. Right, Qahwa is just going to work. It's just going to work. No one will hate this. I literally rocked this yesterday, and like 3 girls complimented me, bro. Like, no joke. This is going to push out. Amore Cafe don't got the best projection, but Lattafa Qahwa is this shit is nuclear. That's why I don't even want to spray it, because it's going to be lingering in my damn room. I can almost smell it from right here. But yeah, bro, this is just sexiness. I'm trying to tell y'all. If I had to pick between this and the Amore Cafe, I definitely got Qahwa over this, right? But this is sexy. It's a date night fragrance. This is definitely something you need to rock on date night. Like, bro, this is a no-brainer. This is something that you need to rock on date night. You need to have this in the collection, bro. No excuses. This is cheap. It's sexy. Now, when you spray this, that coffee kind of disappeared, like, and I give it about like 30 minutes. It's gonna be disappearing, right? The coffee pretty much don't stay. Then it dry down to like basically just Lattafa Khamrah with some more type of cotton candy sweetness to it. But I prefer this over the OG Khamrah. Now I heard Ducan was decent, but I think this is the best one that I smelled out of Khamrah and the between the OG Khamrah and this one, I got Qahwa, right? Because this is just better. It's like more sweet. It just more got that type of cotton candy sweetness to it. But I more prefer this, right? So yeah, I highly recommend you this, right? This is gonna be a school scent. This is gonna be a date night. This is just a mass appealing fragrance. I will not put this on personally if I'm not either going to work or if I'm not going to see a girl, right? This is a going to see a woman fragrance or a work fragrance, right? Because it's just mass appealing, sexy. If like you the type of dude like a Playboy or something like that, this is going to be the fragrance for you, right? But it can get seductive, so I will not be wearing this around the guys. This is something to be worn around girls, bro. This is something to be worn around girls. When you around your homeboys, you probably rocking Creed or Venice. You probably rocking Avant by the house of Mason Alhambra. You probably rocking Creed. You probably rocking Creed, Himalaya. You probably rocking a fragrance like that. You probably rocking Fragrance World Alpha, something like that. But I will not go around the guys rocking no Lattafa Qahwa. Like, it's just way too seductive, way too sexy, way too date night. Nah, bro. I don't want to kiss my homeboy, so I'm not rocking no Qahwa around them. You know what I mean? But I wish I would have knew that that Qahwa was better than Amore Cafe, bro. I swear to God, I wish I would have knew that before I copped this. I just would have got Qahwa. Now, I actually watched the scent bubble video. He was saying the same thing before I bought it, and I actually watched it, but I did not listen to him. I just said, bro, I think Amore Cafe gonna be a banger, right? Which he was right. You just should have got Qahwa over Amore Cafe. So yeah, if you looking at which one to get, I highly recommend you Qahwa, right? So that's just personally me. But this was Brian's Fragrances coming back with another video, gang. Y'all talk back again for the next one.